Hey guys, I wanted to show you tips and tricks to do Google Meet. My students were a little nervous the first time they used it, and then they ended up loving it, and they are requesting meetings all the time. So if you go to your waffle on the top right corner, you can click on Meet, or you can just type in meet.google.com. And then I don't have anything scheduled today, so nothing's showing up here. So I usually click join or start a meeting. And then just give it any name. My class, we're doing a class meeting a couple times a week, but then I'm doing one-on-one, trying to do one-on-one with a student weekly. So my meeting has not started yet, but this is a good time to make sure what you look like. You can mute yourself. You can use this to turn off your camera. You could, I don't know if you heard me, but I could mute myself. I can practice turning off my camera before it starts. If you see some green bars right here, that means that the microphone's picking up your sound. Just that you can make sure that it can hear you. And then no one else is in my meeting yet. If I give my students the code beforehand on Google Classroom, or if I email it out or send it on Dojo, they might already be in there. So go ahead and click join now. And then this automatically popped up, but this is just my joining info. So I might want to copy the joining info and send it out as a reminder to some people. Once again, here's your microphone button. Here is your turn off camera button. This is your leave call. This just means that you leave the call. And then right now I'm the only one in here, but usually you'll have all your students on here. And you can mute students just by clicking the little three dots, that little snowman. You can mute them, and you can also have them leave the call. So if you want to make sure that if it's the end of the meeting, you want to kick them all out, you can just click leave, leave, and they just are one at a time kicked out of the meeting. They can rejoin, but that's what I've done. And then some of them will join back in. I'm like, oh, we're ending the call. That's why I kicked you out. And they're like, oh, okay. And then they just leave themselves. They don't want to miss out on anything. So that is an option for you. And that's it. That's how you do Google Meeting. You can also do chats over here. So I've had students who can't figure out their microphone, or they have a lot of background noise. So I just have them type in their chats, and you can go over some rules with your class on that. So that's it. If your students get stuck, just tell them to click on their faces, and then they can click on the microphone or the camera button if they're taking turns talking or something like that. The last thing I wanted to show you is how to present. So if you click on present now, that you've seen Karen do it before, but that's how she shows you what's on her screen. So if you have a slideshow or something you want to show them, just click on present now. And sorry, this is in the way. So I usually want to do my entire screen, but you can just do a window. And then you have to click on it and then click share. And then there you go. So now everyone else in the meeting can see what's on my screen. So I can go to different things on my screen, maybe a slideshow, maybe Google Classroom to highlight different assignments, maybe some certain projects. And yep, that's it. That's how you do Google Meet.